Gonna go do an underwater test with the iPhone 11 Max.
Because I won't use mine.
Right. See if this is good in the freezing cold water.
I am traumatized.
Got some beer floating in over here. I'm gonna drop it in.
You're just gonna throw your whole camera in there?
No.
Phone?
Stay. Yes.
What? You need to make sure you get the Colorado native.
Wait. Drop it down here a little bit. Right there.
Such murky water.
Alright. See how it looked. Was it in the water?
I can't believe you just stuck your whole phone in there. Like, I can't do that.
Do an underwater test between the Hero 7. It's the iPhone Max Plus. I think it's Pro. I don't know.
Wrong.
Hey.
Stay there.
What? I gotta go over here?
Alright, so I'm going to try to put them down at the same time. We got video going here. Video going back at you. Alright, I'm going to do both of these at the same time, drop them in the water. Oh god, that's cold! Are there people sitting there? Alright, we're done.
I want to get a picture over here.
Gonna take a little ride. Got, I kind of MacGyvered this cage for the dogs. Let me flip the screen so you can see it. So, and then I got the 7 up here, Hero 7, and then I got the Hero 6 up there. And then I'm gonna mount. This is what I'm using to record with is the iPhone 11 Max. I'm gonna set this on here too, see what kind of stabilization it has. Compare the two, see how it looks. So, go for a little ride on a little bumpy trail. I need a wide angle. Oh, boom. What's that shit? Lily, what's all over your face? We're gonna be loaded on this 2019 little 420 Rancher. Alright, I'm going to change this Hero 7, put my iPhone 11 Max on there, get some trail conditions, see how steady it is. So I got the iPhone 11 Max on there. I'm going to try to check out the stability on that thing. So you can see I got that. And I just have the settings on like 1080p at 60 frames per second, I believe. So I'll try it out. Ride a little bit, see how it looks. Hopefully it don't fall out of there, because that'd be a bad deal. $1,500 down the drain. think the iPhone can be used as an action cam. It was bouncing all over the place. So I'm going to switch this out with the GoPro Hero 7. Try it that way. Almost looks like someone made a bridge at some point in time. No way the logs could line up like that, right? Go look at this clearing up here. Oh, I don't think we'd get a chance with the dogs.
What?
So we wouldn't get a chance with the dogs.
Dogs.
It's crazy that they do logging back here. Like, is it just people coming back here with chainsaws and cutting them? It's gotta be. Imagine if you camped back here, you'd never see anybody. Huh?
Right?
Alright, this is where we're heading back. All squinched up in here. Hopefully this is far enough away. This is my grill scraper. Alright, we got some steaks going. Oh, the flame. Got some asparagus in the tin foil. Let's do that. Zoom. Boom. Zoom out. Boom. Holy moly, look at those. Look at that steak. Grill marks. Tell me that's not gonna be good. Oh, smoke's killing my eyes. Holy moly, those steaks look good. That smoke will stop coming towards me. Glisten. Ooh, Lily, you want some of that steak action? Huh? You do? Want some steak action? So this is zoomed out. That's normal. That's zoomed in. Alright, I got the asparagus off. Let's just take a little look, a little gander at that stuff. Stuff's gonna be hot. Hotter than heck. Ooh. Oh, see in there? Ooh. Try a little piece. Oh man. That is tasty. Woo! Delicious. Delicious. So that asparagus is delicious. Oh, those steaks. Dang. Alright. Yeah, I'm doing pretty much did 2 minutes on each side and turned it 3 times. So essentially 6 minutes on each side. So I'm down to my last 2 minutes. Eat time. Oh man, look at those grill marks. Woo! Good. I gotta put these on the plate over here. I think we're done. We're done. Buy them. Woo! Look good. Tasty morsels there. Ooh. Is that my beer on the damn one? Her beer. Somebody's beer. Take this inside. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, those look good. Woo! Holy moly. Look at this plate. This is like gourmet camping meal right here. Woo!